Okay, we're going on a test drive. It is a stick shift. Everything works. Ashtray is nice and clean. As far as I know, it's a non-smoker, but don't hold me to it. Old AM FM cassette, I think they call it. Pretty sure that's what they call it. Heater works. I'm sure you can hear it. Everything works. So we're gonna go on that test drive. Open, but you can see that we are hauling the trailer. I don't know if you can see that through the rear view mirror there. But the windows do roll up nice and tight. Windows, windows go up nice and smooth, and the doors actually open and close very nicely also. You can see that there's no sway in the steering. Again, if you need to get a hold of us, because I am using a friend's eBay account, my number is 253-579-2616. Overdrive, is that what that's called? Cruise control, I believe. While we're at a stop, I'm going to show you there's no rust up here. It's always been garage kept. The only thing it needs is that window, and we already have a replacement for it. Just to let you know, this truck is not a custom truck. It is the original, I think they call it a Sunrader. It is an original Sunrader. It hasn't been customized to look this way. They are very rare. Okay, well, thanks for viewing our auction. And like I said, if there's anything I could answer, it's best